Guys, hello, welcome to the weekend. It is Stevie Says. We got a new vlog for you today. We're going to a festival on the Central Coast. It's called the Rolling Sets Festival. It's starting now, so I've got to get on the road, 2-hour drive, check into the hotel, then jump across and with some amazing acts. We've got the Wombats, Pitch PRC, Rule, G-Flip, just a bunch of Aussie acts, and then some smaller bands too. Keep you updated throughout the day. We'll see some acts, we'll see some music, we'll have a few drinks, and we'll get you to come along to the ride. Alright guys, 2 hours later we've arrived to the hotel. We're on the place called The Entrance on the Central Coast. We'll do a quick room tour. So through the door we come out with a living space. Couch, big telly, table. Let's look at this view. The festival is over here. There's the entry. The festival grounds are over there. The ocean there, which is friggin' sweet. Big balcony will come through. We've got bed here, access to the balcony, and walk-in wardrobe. Bathroom here, shower and bath, perfect. So you can kind of see the Ferris wheel. The festival itself is through there. There's the entry of the boys. Let's do it. Alright guys, we're walking into the festival. You can see the entry coming up, the Ferris wheel, some punters ahead of us. Rolling Sets Festival, we're going to go check out the vibes, check out the people. From here on in, it's going to be some live music, so enjoy the clips, enjoy the rest of the video. This is CP out. Just catching the outro.
so much.
Okay guys, that is the end of the Rolling Sets Festival vlog. Hopefully you enjoyed a few clips of the music, you enjoyed the hotel tour. It's a nice quick one this time. We're just looking at the beautiful scenery. They have these mega pelican feedings, and that's it from me at Kemar. That's CP out.